This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here, and you
Health
can't.
Information Privacy and Protection Act.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. There's a step away,
Hold on.
or you'll be arrested for interference. Step away, or you'll be arrested for interference.
Ow!
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
There we go. Perfect. We're gonna go over here to this car. No, come on.
Somebody take a photo
It's
of
being
this,
recorded.
please.
It's being recorded.
Stop.
641 Charlie, 640 Chatham.
You are hurting me.
Well, walk.
Then walk.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Just relax your body and walk normal.
Yes, just
That's
walk.
all you gotta do. Stop trying to throw your weight. Now, you're gonna sit in the car and we're gonna put your seatbelt on, okay?
Have a seat in the
Sit
car,
in the
please.
car. Yeah, I can leave it up there. Good luck. Can you reach that?
Huh? What car are you?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, put us out with multiple.
No, Richmond.
We got, what's happening with?
He's just gonna go to the hospital.
Oh, okay.
What? There's no Tokyo Joe's around here.
Yeah,
so
13th
what?
and Grant.
13th
I was gonna call for a car, but then she started interjecting herself.
What did you need?
So can we get another car to?
I'll go cruise up there and see if I
Okay.
can find him.
He says a blue shirt or blue cut-off shorts and a blue shirt. Shorts have like a green stripe, I think it was. Thanks.
You want to call Sarge out for interference?
Yeah, we can do that. It's on the east side.